There was once a 5-mile no-fly zone around Leilani Estates. These guardsmen were called to develop a new, more accommodating airspace that would allow USGS, Hawaii Electric and Light Company, and the University of Hawaii at Hilo to operate drones. They also received a request from Mayor Harry Kim to find a way to allow tour helicopters to operate as well.
He wants to make sure that tourism is still going and people can still go, while at the same time having a good in route and out route for all of our rescues and for all of our helicopters, make sure that they feel safe within that airspace.
That's no small task, and what's even more impressive is that most of their 6-person crew, normally stationed at Barber's Point on Oahu, just returned home before coming here.